Hello, we are here on the booth of Webasto on the Caravan Salon in Düsseldorf in Germany. And here you can get an overview of our products of Webasto in the area of heating, but also in the area of fridges and sliding devices for power connections. So we can start here in the heating area. Here you can see the different heating systems. We can start here with our smallest heating system. It's a water heater. It's running with diesel. It has a 5 kilowatt heating performance, and it can be used to get warm air through a heat exchanger into the vehicle. And you can also heat up the engine with this vehicle, not just the inside of the vehicle, but also the engine itself. Then we have here our diesel combi device. It's called a dual top. The purpose of this heater is to heat up not just the inside of the vehicle with an air heater system, but also to heat up water for taking a shower, for example. It has a boiler with a volume of almost 10 liter. Then here we have a diesel cooker. This system is really running with diesel. And if you combine this diesel cooker with the dual top, which I have introduced before, you can have a motorhome which is completely gas free, because probably you have already a 70 liter or maybe even bigger diesel tank, and then you can use this diesel for heating the vehicle, getting warm air and cooking, and you do not need any gas at all if you combine these two systems, for example. But if you want really to work with gas, we have also a solution for that. So here you can see a gas heater. We have this in different variants. So starting from 3 kilowatt up to 5 kilowatt heating performance. And you can get this heater also combined with an electrical heating. This heating system is coming from our partner company called Whale, which is located in UK, and we of Webasto are the exclusive distributor of this company in Europe, despite UK. And also this boiler is coming from the company called Whale. It's a boiler with a volume of 8 liter running with gas. So if you want to have a motorhome working with gas despite diesel, we can also offer you a combination of this air heater, gas air heater and gas boiler. But what we can also offer you is, and of course, our famous diesel air heater. And we promote this combination of this gas heater and this diesel heater also as a hybrid solution, because this gives you the advantage to heat up the vehicle, especially in cold time with diesel, because heating up the vehicle, the inside of the vehicle, this costs you the most energy. But in this case, you are doing this with diesel and heating up the water with gas. And this is also a very famous and good combination, which is also used by several RV manufacturers, motorhome manufacturers, which also exhibit their vehicles here on the booth in Düsseldorf.
It's okay to use it bolt system on the car?
Yeah, there are even some manufacturers showing their vehicles here also in Düsseldorf, not just using one of these heater, one gas heater or one diesel heater, but there are even some manufacturers using really both parallel, especially in vehicles where they used to go up very north in Europe or to Siberia and Russia, where it can become really very cold in wintertime. And then in case one system is not running anymore or you're running out of gas, in this case you still have another heating system, which can be of course very important for you. So then, as you ask, there can be even the situation using both heating systems. So now I've given you an overview about our heating systems, and we can switch now to our other product group, which are the fridges. In the beginning, I have to mention that all our fridges, that they are running with a compressor technology. Yeah, from our point of view, this is the most efficient technology, especially in hot summertime. So all fridges which I will show you, they are running on compressor technology. Here we have some fridges which belong to our built-in product group. That means these are fridges which you can access from the top. Yeah, and here's our smallest one, which has a volume of 16 liter. And this kind of fridge, but also the other built-in fridges, they are especially used in smaller vans where we have smaller kitchens and where you have an access through the top.
Here,
Here we have the device to operate the system, and as you can see, here is now a minus 17 degrees, and also that one you can use at minus degrees. That means you can use this not only as an ordinary fridge, but also as a freezer. Yeah, to freeze your pizza or to freeze the fish which you have bought on the market. So it works also with minus degrees. Okay, and here there's a bigger volume, especially used also for manufacturers. You can have here an individual cover or customized cover, and then you can here have the access. This is a built-in version with 41 liter. But what I also have to say, here on the exhibition, we only show a few samples of our fridges. We have many, many more. And especially in this built-in family group, we have additional units for different sizes. And I think we from Webasto, we have really a lot of different versions, especially for the vans when you need to use a smaller fridge. Here you see some bigger ones. In general, we have drawer fridges and also fridges with the doors. The drawer fridges, here is an example. That means we have really a drawer which can be pulled out. This is a 49 liter fridge. It's written here Inox Clean Touch. That means we have here a special surface where you not can see the fingerprint anymore. Yeah, this is the same here. This is a 65 liter fridge, and here on the top you can see the freezer compartment. Yeah, here in the thermostat device, which you can show maybe also from this side here. In this device, it's flash mounted, and we have already integrated the light also in this system to make it really nice looking. These fridges have 49 or 65 volume in liter. This is a little bit bigger one. This is it's a door solution, and we call it Freeline 115. This is a new series. And the next one is called also Freeline, but this one is very efficient. Takes you only 23 ampere hours per day, and we have here also a freezer compartment, which has especially a size to fit in.
This is magnetic.
Yes, magnetic. Yeah, that it is more comfortable for you to inside the stuff. You can include there 4 pizzas, for example. And here we have the most modern or most actual fridge with a volume of 135 liters, and here also with a volume of 23 liters in freezer. It's a slim version which we show here the first time in Düsseldorf. And let's say these are the most famous products which we have. Here in the corner we can show you another solution which we got from our partner called Whale. Here we have different sliding versions for power connections, for water connections, and this can be used for the OEMs, but also be used for in the aftermarket equipment. This is another product program and product group. And maybe the last one which I want to show you is our AC units, which you can see over there. We have AC rooftop units. So Webasto is well known for heating, but also for cooling. So here you see our rooftop units. We have here different variants, starting from 2 kilowatt cooling performance. Then we have another version with 2.4 kilowatt cooling performance, and the biggest one with 3.4 kilowatt solution. The unit itself is coming with an inside device, which you can see here, which is inside of your vehicle, inside of your motorhome or caravan, and then the bigger outside device on the top of the roof. It fits for the standard openings 40 and 40 centimeters, but we have also adapter for other sizes. And we have introduced these units 2 years ago, and it is well appreciated from the market, and we are really satisfied with the solution. And I hope I was able to give you an overview on our products here, which we are showing in Düsseldorf on the booth of Webasto. And I wish you nice journeys with your motorhomes, and thank you very much for listening and watching this video.